Hello, I'm Christina. So here I am asked to find the level of each of these four sounds using the equation that they have given us and telling us that I sub 0 is 10 to the negative 12th. So what I need to do here is plug these in. Start with the first one. Great, so they have given me this value, 10 to the negative 10. They've also given me I sub 0. Perfect. And then I need to remember, what do I do with these exponents here? The rule is that I can subtract them. So this will become negative 10 minus negative 12 becomes 10 to the second power. Negative 10 minus negative 12 gives me a positive 2. Here, how do I solve this log? I ask myself, 10 to the what power equals 10 to the second power? That'll be 2. It becomes 10 times 2. The level of sound here is 20 decibels. Great. Moving on to part B. So again, I'm going to plug it into the equation that they have given me. They've given me both numbers. I plug in 10 to the negative 5. I have 10 to the negative 5 on top, 10 to the negative 12 on bottom. On the denominator, once again, I know I can subtract these. When I do that, it results in minus 5, negative 5, minus negative 12 will result in a positive 7. To solve this log, I ask myself 10 to the what power results in 10 to the 7th. That answers 7. Becomes 10 times 7, 70 decibels. I'm ready to do the same thing for part C. I'll go ahead and plug in what I've got. To the 0 is simply 1 divided by 10 to the negative 12. Now in this case, I can simplify this anytime I have a negative exponent. If it's in the numerator, I can flip it to the denominator and make the negative exponent positive, or vice versa. So here this negative 12 exponent in the denominator can flip into the numerator and become a positive exponent. To solve this log, I ask myself 10 to the what power gives me 10 to the 12th. That answer is 12. 10 times 12. This one is 120 decibels. I am ready for my last problem. Once more, I just plug it in. This time it's 10 to the negative 11. All the same rules apply. I know when I've got an exponent on the top and the bottom, a fraction, I can subtract them. Negative 11 minus negative 12 becomes a negative 11 plus 12. It's 10 to the first power. I ask myself, 10 to the what power gives me 10 to the first? That answer is 1. This will become 10 times 1 for 10 decibels. And there you go. That's how we solve this problem.